In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade pip. So the first thing you're going to do is type in sudo pip install python. And then you're going to put in your password. And I already have pip installed, so I'm going to type in the command pip install upgrade pip command. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to type in sudo and then paste what I just copied. Hit enter. And that is how you install and upgrade pip.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell button to be notified when there's new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.